How to Make a Snow Person, written by Frost T. Snowman. This is how to make a snow person. You need to make a bottom, a middle, and a top. You need supplies to add details to. First, roll up a big ball. This will be the bottom of the snow person. Second, roll up a smaller ball than the first ball. This will be the middle of the snow person. Third, roll up a smaller ball than the second ball. This will be the head of the snow person. Fourth, set the middle on top of the base. Now you have a body. Next, you can add details to the body. Add arms to the middle ball of the snow person. Add eyes, a nose, and a mouth to the head. Try to use materials that match the shapes you want. Will your snow person have a big nose? Will your snow person be smiling or frowning? Then you can put a hat on your snow person's head. Finally, you can wrap a scarf around your snow person's neck. You have made a snow person. Will you make a friend for your snow person?